So for this one, I'm going to show you how to install the IPTV Smarters Pro. So go to the Play Store, definitely. That's how you can be able to get apps. Play Store. Search once it opens. Once it opens, it's opening. Yeah. Once it opens, you can be able now to go to the search menu. On the search menu, you can be able to simply type IPTV. So IPTV space type Smarters. Smarters R T E R. Once you'll be able to type, you come to the search, you can be able that it's already there, Smarters Pro. So open it, then simply just say install. So we wait for it to install. It's installing. So once it installs, you just open. You open it, and you can be able to use it for your various, to watch the content that they are giving. You can just agree to the license, accept. Yeah, and you can be able to stream or play local content on your television.